Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to take you on a journey into the world of maintenance applications and their unique roles across various industries. We'll deep dive into industrial, facility, and property maintenance and discuss the impact of different maintenance methods on business outcomes. Whether you're involved in manufacturing, commercial facilities, or residential properties, we've got something for you. So let's get started. Welcome to another episode in our UpKeep video series, where we provide you with tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams succeed. Maintenance is a crucial aspect across various industries, from manufacturing plants and commercial facilities to residential properties. It's all about keeping buildings and equipment in top shape to meet the needs of employees, customers, and stakeholders. When maintenance is done right, it allows people to work effectively or live comfortably and helps building managers meet their goals, such as production targets and customer satisfaction levels. But did you know that different maintenance applications require different types of maintenance software, and maintenance workers? Let's take an example. A food company with a processing plant might use preventive maintenance to increase equipment uptime and schedule preventive maintenance tasks with CMMS software. The heroes behind this work? Industrial engineers and maintenance technicians. On the other hand, a small apartment complex might rely on reactive maintenance and use property management software to manage maintenance tasks. Here, they might not have in-house engineers and would hire contractors for repairs outside the technician's scope of work. So it's clear that the maintenance application you should use depends on your building's function and the type of assets and people within it. Let's break down the different applications, shall we? First up, we have industrial maintenance, sometimes referred to as plant maintenance. This is all about applying reliability best practices to increase equipment uptime in a manufacturing environment. When equipment is working as expected, manufacturers can avoid hiccups in the production phase of the supply chain. The main types of maintenance used for industrial maintenance are preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance. Next, we have facility maintenance. This involves increasing the utility of a building by regularly servicing capital assets, commercial appliances, and areas inside or around the building. We're talking about machinery, robotics, research equipment, and medical devices as capital assets. Commercial appliances might include boilers and HVAC units, and areas could be rooms, hallways, parking lots, and garages. Preventive maintenance is the go-to method here, used to reduce the amount of work requests and complaints from employees and occupants. Lastly, we have property maintenance. This is used for the upkeep of residential buildings like hotels, apartment complexes, retirement homes, and buildings used in the hospitality industry. Here, fire safety and cleanliness are top priorities for property managers. They use property maintenance software to delegate cleaning tasks to janitors and fire safety checks to technicians. Property maintenance is highly reactive because most work is completed by technicians after work requests are submitted by tenants and customers. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of different maintenance applications. Remember, the right application for you depends on your building's function and the type of assets and people within it. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the different types of maintenance applications and how they apply to various industries. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep tuning in for more insights and tips to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful.